Hey there. If you clicked on this video, you're probably interested in writing, or interested in making money, or both.
Yeah, I'm both.
Well, by the end of this video, I hope I can encourage you to pick up a new hobby, embrace an existing hobby, and maybe turn it into a real income source. And if you find out you learned something new, why not like this video and subscribe for more cool videos? Yee? Alright, let's get started. So I write on Medium. If you've never heard of it, Medium is a platform where individuals can write stories on a bunch of different topics. I'll say more on that later, but let's get right to the point. What do I write about? Well, I write about programming and basketball, specifically tutorials on making a basketball game for iOS and all the coding and game design involved. I already had a hobby for programming and making apps, and basketball, so I started my YouTube channel revolving around all of those things. I thought it would be a good idea to also document my progress publicly, and I found out about Medium earlier this year. My primary goal for using the platform was just to have an online record of achievement that I could look back on in the future, and maybe build my online brand a little bit as well. I had no real expectations of making any money using Medium until I wrote my first post. That was when everything really changed, and now I write content that earns me some cash every week. So I guess the next question on your mind is, how much do I earn? Well, here you have a screenshot of all the stories that I've released thus far. I have 4, and if you go to the bottom, that is my first story and also my most popular one. The post was basically an insight into creating a basketball simulation app using Swift, the iOS programming language, and it didn't really get any steam until about March 17 to 18, which is when Medium picked up my story and distributed it across topics such as software engineering and programming, and it really did blow up from there. I think I was averaging about 200 views around its peak. Given the popularity of my first post, I was given the option to monetize my second one, which I did, and although it wasn't given that front page exposure of my first post, it still earned me about $5 up to today, which is still really cool. And although $5 may seem like a small amount to you, it was still a really big deal for me, as I was writing about something I thoroughly enjoyed and was having a blast with, and never thought that I could actually get paid for other people engaging with the content that I made. So then I published another post on Medium, and to date it's been my most popular monetized article, and it's earned me $16 as of today. And again, it's really cool to develop a passion for writing, especially one that I thought I didn't have, and the money comes as an extra bonus because this is something that I developed as a hobby and I would enjoy doing regardless, but being able to share that experience and to share the insights that I gained from working on a basketball app is just icing on the cake. So, quick disclaimer, Medium's pay system isn't exactly translating the times people read your article to how much money you make. So if you're interested I encourage you really to check out their website for more information. But here also you can see in the dashboard the types of things my readers are interested in, and I can kind of tailor my writing to better suit the audience that engages with my content. So here you can see that my readers are mostly interested in programming, technology, and iOS development. I'm also interested in basketball too, so maybe I'm considering adding more basketball or sports-centric features or sports-centric details to my writing to better, attract that sort of category of people. But enough about me and the small $21 that I've earned writing. How much can you earn, or anyone earn, on Medium? Looking at the earnings data released for this year, the answer is a lot. Just one story earned over $4,000, and one author earned over $8,000 just in January. Even though, of course, this is definitely the top 1% of the 1% of stories on Medium, it just lets you know the potential for how much you can earn writing about things that you're passionate about. And that passion can come in the form of sharing interesting perspectives, engaging narratives, or even cool basketball programming app tutorials. Okay, I know you're probably confused, but I'm here to help you. You're probably thinking, what can I write about to make money? And I will definitely help you. Just going on the Medium homepage, on the top bar, there's a bunch of different categories. and just look at the front page. Look at the types of stories that are here. Although my reading digest is focused on programming topics, so you're actually going to see like a bunch of programming stories here. But the reality is the amount of topics that you can write about on this platform is really limitless. You can write about pop culture, social media, technology, fashion, beauty, the kind words that your grandfather spoke to you, your dog. As long as something is engaging enough that people really want to read it and interact with your personal perspective, it's really a great way to develop yourself as a person. I treat the money as a side bonus, but maybe you see it as a primary motivation. Either way, I hope that this video encourages you to pursue possibly writing on Medium. And no, this is not sponsored by Medium. I really do see this platform as an outlet for expressing my passions for basketball and programming. And who knows, maybe you can find a passion of your own that also gets you going and also puts some money in your pocket. If you've made it to the end of this video, thank you so much to 1,000,000. Stay tuned for the next video, and I'm out.